Come closer, and let me have a better look at you.
Who are you?
Don't you recognize me?
You destroyed me!
I made you better. You were no more than a primate, a trained monkey before we met.
Liar!
Don't you remember? It may have taken centuries of your time, but that's all in the past. You're part of me now. And you probably don't realize how lovely you are.
You stole my life. I had a child.
Yes, a daughter. I'm afraid she and all your people died after you left. But I saved you. I gave you powers that others could only dream of, and have given you the chance to shine in the universe. You are the outcome of my life's work.
I don't want it. I want my daughter back.
I can't help you there.
You killed her.
I was hoping